Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today, how the market is going to be treating us today. I have an overnight position. Don't look at it, ignore it if possible. But yeah. So, Marie, how are you doing today?
Doing well. And yourself?
Nice. We are doing good. We are doing good. In general, so
Yeah,
okay.
we're dealing with a little headache here for both of us, but hey.
Headache,
Could
back
be-
pains, it's like virus is going around.
Yes, exactly what I was going to say. Tis the time of the year, isn't it gorgeous?
All week, all week. But yeah, all good. Here, like, you know, it's all what we can do right now. So, the market is very funky for anybody out there. So, watch out at the open. Like, I mean, yeah, this can go either way. Today is a witching day, so make sure we are aware of that. So, witching day is the third Friday of every month. So we have triple witching as well eventually one day, but this is in December. So for November it's a single witching day. So yeah, let's see what the market wants to do. This market is gonna open in a couple minutes. I'm gonna have to be able to hold the pain for this guy for now, because I think the trade is correct. Though, like, I mean, I'm taking a big loss there, and I will be taking a big loss if I am wrong to, even bigger one. So, but what I'm saying is, like, for me, is, as I say, I made very good profit, and it's not the thing to do. You shouldn't be sacrificing the good profit that you made. But yeah, it's just like part of the deal here. Like, for me, like, I mean, it's something I have to fix. I have to stop holding overnights for mistakes or no mistake. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, what about you? Yeah, I know you are looking at SoFi from what you told me, right? SoFi. It's a smart thing to not put any order at the open, I think, because
I believe you're correct.
it's gonna wag it whatever size. So in my case, I won't have any order. But I have a clear line for SPY for Nvidia that I'm gonna be looking at, and 179.92 to be precise. Though that's quite far from me right now. 179.92. It's very close to the VWAP. I don't want to see Nvidia trading at the VWAP, but 179.92, 93, right there. So I will consider myself in trouble once we are trading below the line. And for SPY, we have a clear line for SPY as well. Market's gonna open very soon. Just watch out for any movement. So SPY, yeah, right now testing the price we were talking about. 654.28. We don't want to see SPY breaking. It's not testing it yet.
It will be.
It will be, yeah.
It's entered the stack. We'll see.
So, me, roaming, SPY, and Nvidia are trading below those prices. So, for good, like at the open, I expected to wag it down, but then I expected to go back up above those prices. So let's see, we are going there. SPY doing its magic. So, it's up for us lagging a bit. So, Nvidia is still far from there. I want to see this going higher by a lot. Alright. Alright, okay. I'm not willing to make everything back. I'm just willing to be out with a smaller loss. That at least I keep some profit for this week. But yeah, let's see. We are running away from the price I was talking about, which is a good sign. The tape is a little bit mute for everything right now. Nvidia has a little bit of sizes, very low and very high, but in between is kind of clean. So it's gonna be choppy. Let's see. Did you got any SoFi?
Yep.
You got SoFi, nice. right, Nvidia breaking down. Come on, Nvidia, you can do better. Nvidia fighting with the PCL right now. SPY trying to test the prices we were talking about.
Exactly, right there.
So no panic. This is just a process.
Mm-hmm.
The same thing I was saying yesterday. When my proposition become true, like that, yes, you're wrong, I'm gonna be coming out of the trade. But right now, proposition is correct. So, and yeah, let's see. We don't have to be too hard-headed here. But we're gonna be choppy for a little bit because we are trapping to those two moving averages that I have been always saying that they are choppy. So though the market is set up for shorts, not for long, unfortunately. Let's see, going down, even lower. So, all right. No panic here. Let's see how we do. Proposition is still true. I know Nvidia broke right now. Nvidia keep going down. Ooh la la. SPY looking like if he wants to go lower. It's not that I don't care about the loss. I care about the loss. It's just I'm trying to act rational based on my plan because I do have a plan. And if my plan break, when then I have to be out. But my plan haven't broke. This seems to be exactly how I was expecting for now.
Okay.
So to stay put, this is something that.
SPY's really,
Yeah.
expecting at this moment. We'll see.
Yeah, but he will have to clear up because he has levels right above. So there are two important levels. All right. Nvidia going even lower. Did you got SoFi?
Mm-hmm. Very mixed at the moment,
Mm-hmm.
but with strength. So we will see.
Yeah, very weird.
Mm-hmm.
SPY seems to be trappish.
Mm-hmm. But still above, right?
Yes. course, I don't think it's gonna stay like the way it's trading right now. It's gonna go either way for good.
Has to go directional, right? Okay, so SPY's RSI just took a big leap.
I see. All right, so SPY not taking off.
Yep.
Nvidia taking sinking quite well. So all right, SPY went down, but it's doing the same that it was doing toward the upside, toward the downside yesterday. So it's doing now toward the upside. So we have, as I say, we have to stay put. This is a trade that I can make it a swing trade, but like I don't want to do that. That's not the right thing to do.
Why?
Because
What you mean that it's not the right thing to do?
I guess it reflects a flaw on my discipline. So I'm like, as I
Or
say, a strength as well. That's part
A
of the
strength.
dilemma here.
right? A strength of being able to fix something
Yeah,
after the flaw has been made.
yeah, and like for example, why do I say those things? Because like the thing, like I'm holding like Tesla, and I'm holding like I know as a swing trader, I am not concerned about holding Nvidia. Any amount of Nvidia, I'm not afraid of holding it for longer. It's just like I know it's a mistake that I have done yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and like I just don't want that mistake to be like, let's say, what would I do if it would be like Rigetti, BBA? I wouldn't be holding like. So the only reason why I can have that luxury is because it is a company that I will be able to take a lot of risk without concern, because I know deeper on that.
Okay.
But yeah, like as you illustrate in the example there, it's a question that put in play something that in books and everybody that try to teach you trading or show you things normally say you don't do that, but
Mm-hmm. Right?
it's not necessarily the right thing to learn. Like
No. Well, I think it's a good skill to practice, though, because is something going to happen to us where we're going to get caught?
Mm-hmm.
I believe so. I mean, that's life, right? But how are we going to be dealing when that's going to happen? So,
Yeah.
so do we have the skills to be able to better the situation, or?
Well, I was planning at some point I have to fix it. Like for example, in this case, like let's say it was difficult for me to close it,
Mm-hmm.
but not because of the loss. It was because of the time, because it was the loss was not that big when it closed. So, but what I'm saying is like I told to my friend the other day I have to put something in the software that would close everything at 3:55, something like that. Even if I am not in the screen.
Okay. So spy is at the piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is it gonna do there?
Well, I don't know if you remember yesterday that we hammered
I
for a
do.
very long time, and but he never trade. He never actually stayed trading at the other side. Though today, like I'm not saying that I have the same hope. It's just like any day is a new day in the market. It's anything can happen. Like the people that are selling today don't necessarily are the same people that yesterday. So
Okay, we got numbers coming in.
all right, let's check that out. Mm-hmm.
Not a big
No, exactly.
really not a big difference.
The big one is gonna be a thing. That's gonna be the one that is gonna get us dancing. Yeah.
Which one?
Michigan consumer expectation, the final.
Okay. We're gonna get us dancing. Eh?
Oh yeah. If that number at 10 come back, it's gonna be big things. Nvidia should hold 177. Let's see. Triple, quadruple shielder.
Oh my god. Yeah, I see that, eh? Super heavy there. Look at that print.
Ronaldinho.
Okay? Look at Spy. Wow.
Good morning, Bloody. How are you doing? Did you see what Spy did?
Yep. I said, look at that.
I hear you. I just like that was in the background of my head. Yeah, now you can see the text. What's that?
What the hell? What the hell?
I know. Ironically. Roberto. Rigo.
So when we're looking at the heat map, guess what?
What did we say?
What color?
It's becoming green now.
Correcto.
It's they do what the heck they want to do.
So they're getting greener, but there's a caveat. Sadly, we've got one that's still red.
And it's Nvidia.
You
AMD, Nvidia.
AMD now is going to be breaking even.
That's not correct. That's the delay. But it's like delayed by 15 minutes.
Oh. Okay.
But still, we have like already that's market open. It's gonna probably get red, and then it's gonna be green. The real number for AMD is down 1.7%. How are you doing with SoFi?
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Spy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice.
Dale tú, mamá.
Okay, so Spy's making a new local high. So let's go. We definitely have acceleration.
It's funny because we have Michigan consumer sentiment final in a triple witching day.
In a witching day.
In a witching day, yeah, sorry. Thank you for correcting me.
Hey, hey, that's
So,
proves I'm listening to you. Oh,
yeah. I just double checked that what I said was correct, and it is correct. Watch out for the end of the day today. It's just gonna be brutal. Whatever it is gonna be crazy. Like I remember taking Palantir short, yeah. A day like today, maybe it was a triple. Yeah, it was a triple.
it was a triple. Whoa,
Yeah,
it was a triple.
And
I remember.
I was 30 hours up by 9:45, and by 4 o'clock, I was probably 30 hours down. So it's just
I
like
do remember that.
like, what the heck was that?
That was brutal. Okay, let's go, Spy.
And Spy have a lot to go, you know. You
Let's
saw it
go,
on the
Spy.
tape, I guess.
Yep.
It's very tedious to do this that way. So, but, hey, it's okay. We're gonna MacGyver it.
VIX seems to be increasing. Not
So,
sure
yeah.
if that's good.
Normally no, but I would expect it increasing because of the news that is gonna be coming out very soon. But I don't have reasons to go short anymore. So until the news come out, and we will see.
incredible, eh? What it just did. Oof.
Yeah.
Spy did not make a lower low, right?
No. It's trying to, and I wouldn't be surprised if it does it, because there is gonna be a volatility spike in 2 minutes or less.
Mm-hmm.
Sellers are quite aggressive, like
But buyers are fighting too.
yes, there is very healthy buying going on.
But I agree with you. Sellers, oof. When they get out, they get out.
Right, data might be out. What I like up to now is that it is respecting the level. And we take it for whatever it worth, because
What? Okay, the numbers are coming out.
that's what I just say.
And they're better. Sorry. I was listening to Speedy Gonzalez.
Speedy Gonzalez. Oh yeah, it's they are better than the consensus by a little bit, but they are not better than the previous one.
Okay.
And the PMI that was later, yeah, exactly. It's just as we say there. It's better by 0.05 than the consensus, but still quite low. So first you got the reaction. The reaction seems to be the wrong one, but let's see. I would like to see it making a higher low, not a lower low.
Mm-hmm.
Is it too much to ask?
So it's going to be a lower. Damn it.
We have to. Yeah, we have to wait. I have to wait. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Do- So, Mary, any good stories?
You're hilarious.
How are you doing today?
Not-
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm being careful. But
Yeah, just figuring out if ChatGPT know how I can ask to this thing to.
mm,
Oh, they do have that. Yeah, so I cannot specify the time, but I can say, well, it's a specific time that they have as a preset, but I can say like on wine hold the position at 359. Like one, he say like you can say like close hold position 1 minute before the market close. That works for me. I have been closing position like 15 seconds before the market close. It's like what? But yeah. SPY is looking quite sketchy there, but
Is it?
yeah, because it's making lower highs.
Christmas tree or megaphone?
No Christmas tree. Yeah, yes, Christmas tree. No megaphone, because it's shrinking. It's a Christmas tree. Like he made a higher low, and he made a lower high. In the last occasions. How long that we don't have a typical Friday? Let's hope it's not today.
Like, what is that, right?
Let's see how this works. It's funny they have the sample with JSON account, like TR Jason. We know who's Jason from that. The
Oh,
guy,
CCC.
yeah, the guys that will answer.
He's good. Okay.
You say that easy peasy lemon squeezy. So okay, let's look at those things. I'm gonna go around and figure out whatever I am thinking about here. So that makes sense there. That makes sense here. So we are trying to make lower low apparently. This was kind of a lower low. So this is a weird shape here, but let's see. spy breaking down probably. The bid is no holding. No trades.
No. I can't. Like right now, I'm looking at tapes, and there's definitely a bottom. Like we said, right? It was going to be rangy, but holy cannoli.
Yeah, like kind of for the spy have been like very weird.
Yeah. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Okay, I need to that one there. Okay. So they're all the same. Look at this. This is Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
This is SPY.
Yeah, Tesla a little bit more aggressive there, but similar. I guess Nvidia is the same.
And if I'm looking at Nvidia,
More abrupt because of the earnings. I'm surprised that Jensen comment on the
even PLTR, look at that.
yeah.
PLTR is practically identical. Wow. AMD, same thing. Okay. Wow. Amazon, same thing, but stronger. Okay, so Amazon's going to be feeding. Okay, we got a double shield there.
The map looks still green-ish. Yeah.
Ish.
All right.
Can we go mute?
Yeah. We're gonna be mute for a bit. We're gonna take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit. All right, everybody. So we are back today. I hope you came back to the whole video just at the end and just check whatever we did, as I suggest eventually, because we have the little summary of whatever we did. So today I didn't do anything. I didn't took any trade. I didn't do anything. Why I didn't do anything? Because I hold the trade overnight by mistake. I'm taking like a big loss on it, and I decided to not liquidate the trade because I am right. So I can liquidate it and get it back, and then I'm gonna be looking better. Like, oh, look how green is his P&L. But the reality is that I took a big loss, and I didn't liquidate anything. I just say, because I still believe on my idea, I'm gonna hold it. Unfortunately, and we're gonna say this the way we can say it, but it has like take it with a big chunk of salt. This market feel a little bit manipulative, like it looks like, I wouldn't be surprised. This is the way I want to say it. I wouldn't be surprised if by next week we are trading, like let's say a SPY around 670, 675. And if that happened, that means that we all got fooled by whatever was going on in there. So whoever took the loss, or like, but yeah, just like I have a strong belief on my theory. I have a strong belief on things that I shouldn't be having a strong belief, but like, we're gonna see what we do. Like, just like right now, my P&L is coming back to be okay. But yes, for sure, I'm giving away some of the profit for the last week. No, for this week. Yeah, last week and this week, because I was in the green this week. So, but yeah, so that's it for me. I didn't do much, but Marie did took properly trades today, so she traded properly today.
Well,
So-
you say that? Not really. So,
Oh, you
me-
did day trade today.
Hmm?
You did day trade today.
Yes.
Not like me. You are not holding an overnight trade.
Oh, see, okay.
And
yes.
by the way, like just in case if anybody use like that trade, so fine. I found the solution. So for the positions to be liquidated at the end of the day, no matter what. So I'm gonna be putting that in place, because the way I finish holding those trades is like I have I go to work after 11:30, so I sometimes I get distracted, or like I am busy at around 4. I look at the chart and I say it's not that bad. It's okay. We're gonna skip it and things like that. So, and that's what is making me hold overnight trades eventually. But that's not right to do. So, like if I get it out yesterday, so it's just a lost, you know. So, but yeah, that's it for me. So sorry about that. I just want to clarify.
Not
that.
at all,
Yeah.
not at all.
SoFi, you say?
For me, it was only SoFi. So for me, it was SoFi, and guess in what direction? SoFi long. So I kept going at it, and especially when it popped, came back, popped again. I really believed in the long, so I kept trying it. So now I'm in my sim, but I got a loss, not a big loss, but I did get a loss. And I didn't trust what was going on. Like Davey was saying, it just doesn't look right. But now I just said, okay, you know what? I'm going to trade in my sim. In my sim, I'm doing extremely well, sadly. So right now, I'm super green, but like we said.
But that's very good to do that. Like, I mean, I told you I don't go back in my sim, because I have like, sometimes it happened to me that I think I have a real trade. Like, it happened in the past, but now no, because I'm not doing it anymore. I think I have a real trade and I was in the sim. And then I say, you know, I don't want to take the risk anymore. But
Oh, flipping over, yeah.
you have any advantage because you are more aware normally. So, yeah, very good discipline in there by doing that. No, I'm not being sarcastic. It's like, hopefully I can do the same thing at some point. And like, but yeah, good. Yeah, this is a real loss. Mine is a real loss, and it's real shit. So yeah.
So I do have a real loss, but obviously
You're alternating basically. You are taking real trades and sim, trades and sim, and that's pretty sweet. Yeah. See. So yeah, I interrupt you, but
Nope. So I'm done right now. I've got SoFi at $24, and yeah, it's going up at this moment. We do see somewhat of an interest. SPY right now is at a top. Right, so SPY now is trading,
Yeah, that's a
if
price.
I'm not mistaken, very close to the high.
right there.
Right, so if it
Oh
goes
my
through,
gosh.
that would be amazing. especially for longs, and right now that's what I've got. So yeah, let's hope as well. So Davey definitely recuperated a lot out of his short, out of his long on Nvidia. So let's see. Hey, it could very well be, right, that we're going to break even. Look at SPY going through that like butter. I remember earlier today you said what, right? Hey, do you see SPY going back to, I think it was 672?
63.
663?
663.
Okay. Guess what? It's on its way. So incredible. What's happening right now with the market? Very, very counterintuitive. It's breaking all the lows. We've got companies that lost all of its gain since the push of September. So yes, very, very weary on this market at this moment.
Yeah.
Right?
But like, and I was talking about that with like, we're gonna say it in a way that it sounds pretty because that's not the way it was said in the book. But there is a book about Mike Bellafiore book that is called One Good Trade, and then my friend confirmed that there is another book that like in I think I don't remember another book, but the guy said the same. When you take certain trades, like, and this is a double-edged sword because why is a double-edged sword? Because if you apply this at the wrong time, you're gonna get smoked like big time. But what I'm saying here is that it seems that for you to make real money or for you to really make it through, you have to have courage. Like you have to be, you have to have convictions. And as I say, I'm saying it pre because in the book it's a very graphic way the way they say it. But yeah, like once you take a trade, if you really believe on the trade, you just put the line on the sand, and like if it doesn't break the line on the sand where your logic is behind, not your emotions about the trade, your logic about the trade, say you are wrong right here. Unless that happens, you should be able to hang on into the trade. And like
And those are the days that we perform the best.
yeah, like for sure. Like just look at my loss, like going back to half of whatever it was or whatever. But like I have been wrong. This is a wrong thing. You don't want to do what I did here. It's just like we have to be able to choose correctly. When do I want to have the courage of I am right and I'm gonna hold? And of course putting a limit. Like you don't have to let this go to 0-0 or whatever. So, but yeah.
I agree.
And then like to play chicken, like as many guys say, like a trader that is afraid is no good, no good. So yeah, so just that. Yeah, I hope it has any value for anybody. But yeah,
Well said.
let's see where we finish the day.
You bet. Yay.
Yeah. So okay. So that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good weekend. I hope everybody
Yes.
enjoy their weekend and like hopefully your week is green. Mine is red by a little bit, but I don't want to be red by a little bit. I don't want to be red at all. Like, which is weird, but like I'm being very stubborn about that one. Yeah, but whatever. So have a good one, and we will see you later.